Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to use Evernote to organize notes in an online domain. I will first demonstrate how to create notebooks and notes. Then I will walk you through how I have organized my notebooks and notes. Next, I will demonstrate how to clip a website article. Finally, we will discuss how to highlight key points and add personal notes. Once you've created an Evernote account, you can begin organizing. To create your first notebook, locate the notebook icon located on the left-hand side of the screen. Open this tab and then click on the Create a Notebook icon on the upper right-hand side of the tab. From here, you will title your notebook and then create it. Now that you have created a notebook, it is time to create a note. To create a note, choose a plus sign on the upper left-hand side of the screen. Here, you can title your note and then begin typing, adding documents, or even links. I have organized my notebooks by the following categories. They each contain different notes, including to-do lists, menus, creative ideas, important dates, as well as course-related information. When scrolling through the web, you may find a website article that interests you. To save this article to Evernote, such as this one, you will need to click on the elephant in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Then you can choose what type of article you would like to create. I'm going to choose a simplified article. Next, I can go to the article and highlight key points from the computer by using the mouse. And you can do this throughout the entire article. Now when you're finished highlighting, you might have a note that you would like to add after reading it, and you can add your notes under the remarks section on the right. You can then tag your article, and then you're going to click Save. Now when you go back to your Evernote webpage, you'll be able to see the article with all of your highlights and your notes pictured here. Congratulations, you have just learned how to effectively use Evernote.